Hello guys, Flash here from Review. Today we're going to discuss about SAFEGEM. In today's video, I'm going through guys the tokenomics, the social medias, what this token has to offer and all of that. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Hopping onto their website right here, it is the highest passive income in the crypto space. Finally, a real gem. Getting into the about section, so SAFEGEM offers the highest passive income to its holders in the crypto space. 6% of each transaction is redistributed to the SAFEGEM holders. It is forever deflationary token. SAFEGEM supply is permanently reduced by continuous token burn. 5% of each SAFEGEM transaction is forever burned. More than that, we also burned 53.25% of the total supply after the pre-sale. And SAFEGEM is 100% owned by the community, which will allow always have full voting power over all decisions. With transparent communication, they are all building the most united community in the crypto space. Moving on to the tokenomics. So 6% frictionless yield, 5% contribution token burn. Pre-sale was 25%, burned after pre-sale 53.25%, dev and marketing wallet 7%, and liquidity pool that is locked 14.75%. This is a safe token, so pre-sale, very distributed pre-sale. SAFEGEM has entered the crypto space through a pre-sale campaign hosted by DXL. The liquidity is locked for 1 year. It is a dump proof, so they've implemented in the smart contract a function called maxTX that protects against massive dumps from whales, meaning that a transaction can't exceed a certain percentage of the circulating supply. And the ownership was renounced. Moving on to the roadmap over here. So in Q2, smart contract creation, website launch and social media channels, pre-sale, burn of supply, portfolio listing, marketing plan, phase 1, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listing, audit, and SAFEGEM mobile app. Q3, small mid-tier exchange listing, partnership announcements, marketing plan, phase 2, NFT marketplace, website rebranding, and team scaling. And moving into the last quarter, launch NFT authenticator, ecosystem expansion, large tier exchange listing, and implementation of community initiatives. I highly suggest you guys going and giving them a follow on Twitter, as well as joining the Telegram group with over 2,900 members. Quick disclaimer guys, everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only. You can buy gems on V1 on PANCAKESWAP. All you guys need to do is put the slippage on 13% and just click on swap. Taking a look at the BSC scan, they're currently sitting at 7,400 holders at the moment. If you guys want, you can go on to their website and click on funding. They're doing a SAFEGEM fundraiser, so if you want to add to the liquidity pool using V2, you can scan this code, or going and donating something to the early marketing efforts. That being said guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment what you think about this token. Flash out.